Good morning, YouTube. Bit of a rainy day out here today in Alabama. We got a 2016 Suburban today. Customer complaints the AC not getting cool. Put a little AC dye in it and trace this leak back to the condenser. We're leaking right over here. Just a pretty good job, as you can see. You got to take the whole front bumper off, headlights, air box. It takes a minute to get down to it. So the first thing in this job was you want to recover your old Freon, and we've got that recovered, but we didn't get but a little over a pound. The rest of it is all leaked out. But we're going to get this new condenser in here and get our seals replaced on our lines that we took off. First thing I'm going to do is vacuum this out a little bit. Clean this radiator up. Squirrels done made them a home in here. We'll get this put back in though, get some oil in it, more Freon, and go from there. Hope this helps somebody out, and hope y'all have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.